I love it, dude. I fucking love it. It is so luxurious. Like, it's a 2013, so it's not like crazy new. It's got leather and it's
a big
like,
boy, dude.
It has cool.
And you didn't sell the old car, I noticed.
No, not yet. I'm gonna sell it on like Facebook Marketplace or something. If anyone needs an Acura MDX 2004 with almost 200,000 miles, let me know.
I'd borderline keep that as just like in case, man.
Dude, it needs work.
You gotta do property taxes and all that shit too.
And I just like stopped my insurance on it. So.
All right, I mean, sure. I'm just saying, like, it's nice to have a backup. I know you live with Maddie, and you know you see a few
here's
cars.
The thing:
but
Ford is a good car. It's not as reliable as Toyota. She has a Toyota, so the Ford is going to be the town car.
I just feel like driving a truck around, the gas mileage is like not lit.
Dude, like if you're going into town with
that's
the thing. Her car is the road trip car.
I understand.
I'm
still just saying, like, even if you go into town only,
we do it, dude. That is our town car.
I understand. I'm just
because we just.
It's not about how far you're going.
Chilling, though.
It's about just the amount you drive.
Dude, I'm gonna tell you this, and like, if one of you guys gets a truck because of this, I'm gonna
I don't know if I can drive a truck.
I'm not gonna get a truck ever.
Dude, going to Lowe's with a truck. First of all, you feel like you're like, I belong here. You know, I'm a country boy too.
Well, that's only because of where
that's a part of it. Because everyone there has a truck.
Well,
like
again, where we live is...
Good luck parking that whale, dude.
Every racist white dude has a truck there.
Okay, well.
The second thing...
Again, where do we live?
Is... Like
Virginia.
She got a bunch of plants.
Yeah.
We put them in the truck bed.
I saw them yesterday.
Did not think about it. And like, if you spill some soil, like, it's a fucking truck bed. Like, it'll blow out onto the road.
Yeah.
Like,
dude, you could fill that shit up with mulch.
With mulch, I could make a hillbilly hot tub. You know, you put like the line, like the tarp.
God. Yeah.
I don't know. I just feel like it.
No, it's cool, man.
I
it's
said
sick.
this to her, and I don't mind saying it to you guys. It makes me feel manly.
Oh my God.
And like, there might be something toxic about that, but like, I'm a big dude, and I've always driven smaller cars. I drove a Sentra in high school. I've drove that car for 6 or 7 years.
That was a tiny fucking car.
It's a tiny car. I was 6'2" in high school. I can't drive a tiny car. Then I got the Acura, a little bit bigger, still not as big as I'd hope, like for a car I want to drive. But then I got this car and I was like, oh my gosh, I feel like I fit in it. And what does Dylan drive?
Yeah, I was going to say, I
he's
get
fucking, what, 6'5"?
He's a big boy.
I feel like he might even be bigger than that.
He might be taller. But like, that's the point, is like, I feel like it kind of fits.
No, yeah, so, I mean, I get it.
Go ahead, sorry.
No, I do understand. I just feel like I have to drive trucks around at work sometimes, and it feels yeah, sometimes. Like,
I didn't know that.
I mean, I don't have like one for me, but I borrow people's trucks to go like get materials and shit like that.
Yeah.
And it just feels weird, man. Like it is like big. You're a big guy. I'm not, so I get in there and I'm just like, like I can obviously fucking see still, but I just feel like it's so
large.
unwieldy. Like I just don't. I already have trouble sometimes, like going to parallel park, like trying to figure out how long my own fucking car is.
Yeah.
Does it have a backup cam?
It does.
Yeah. Do you have one in the mirror?
No, I don't.
Dylan's is in the mirror.
Yeah,
and
that's fucking dope.
I'm like, that is so sick because you should be looking in the mirror also, not just at the camera. You know what I mean? Like,
yeah.
Yeah, you absolutely should. But the Acura had a backup camera, and dude, does your car have a backup camera?
Fuck no.
Does yours?
Yeah.
Dude, once you have one,
I know.
I will never go back.
It fucks you. You're like, how did I ever back up before?
When I was traveling for work a lot, every time I got a car with a backup camera, I'm like, this is nuts, but I come home and not have one.
It's such a luxury.
My car does beep when I get too close to stuff.
Yeah, that's cool.
But
I have that too.
So does mine, though.
I know. I'm just saying, like, at least I have that so then I don't hit something.
Yeah, my car will let you turn it off, but I never turn it off. Whenever you put it in reverse, it's like, do you want to leave on the auto beepy shit? And I'm like, yeah, why not? Like,
yeah, you got to leave the beepy on.
I don't know why they take... I mean, there are times where I back up and I'm like, there's like a plant there and it's like... like just like freaking the fuck out.
Dude, I put it in reverse and Maddie was throwing something in the back and she stood in front of it and it was like, I was like, yo, there's nothing there, dude. Chill.
Yeah, well, it's letting you know.
I want you to drive it this week and I want to come back next week and you tell me, okay, it's too big or I could see myself
I just feel like the only time I've ever considered getting a truck was before I paid pickup
trash.
for trash.
Which we still have trash in our car.
Yeah.
In our garage.
So
In our car.
In our car. I got mad trash.
Well, dude, we got a truck now. We can take your fucking trash.
I think I'm just gonna pay again to get the trash in the garage removed.
But
How does that work?
I call this guy
Like a
and he
junk
comes
hauler?
with a big ass dump truck and just loads it up.
He loads it himself.
yeah, we just put it in a pile.
We just put it in a pile and he does it all himself.
in like 10
It
minutes.
was like $100.
No,
It was more.
What is it?
$350
Oh,
the last
shit,
2
dude.
times.
Well,
I mean,
Fuck
we
all
filled
that.
up the fucking.
yeah, like if you get rid of like some big shit, it's worth it. But I will say though, when I move out, which I'm trying to look at, let's go to or IKEA. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yeah, no,
dude.
I'm gonna build that desk, so I need your truck for IKEA.
Uh-huh.
Steve's gonna be moving out, so he's gonna need your truck for.
To throw all of his shit away. His computer, his bed.
I am gonna throw away my bed and get a new one. 'Cause
Okay.
Oh, nice.
Unless if I get a 2-bedroom or something, I might keep it as a
Yeah.
guest bed. But
Yeah.
it kind of sucks. So
Where are you looking? We don't need to talk about that.
yeah,
Here. Sorry.
this is the address I'm gonna move. I'll talk to you about it. But
Dox
yeah,
yourself.
it's
Sorry.
not going the greatest right now. But
Oh, okay,
such is
well.
life.
I would love to see you drive it and tell me your thoughts. I think you do more home improvement. You are more like dad manly than I am. You smoke
also
the
don't
meats.
own
you
your-
put
own
on the
your own
Sweet Baby
house.
Rays.
He does
I don't.
not.
Yeah, he owns his own house.
No, that's what I'm saying. Is he's doing a lot of home shit.
Yes, he's doing home improvement things
because he's got a home.
He's got hella tools that I stay borrowing, and like I'm just
Yeah,
saying.
think about all the
dude,
tools you could put in your truck.
I know. It feels like
Fit so many hammers
old
in there.
world, but like.
No, I get it.
having a truck as a man feels fucking cool, and like I don't subscribe to like gender roles like that, but like there's something about it that I'm like,
Yeah,
this
women
is
could feel
fucking-
really cool too.
This is cool. And Maddie's like, I fucking love this truck. This is a cool truck. She was like, I wasn't sure at first, but now that I'm riding in it, it's fucking dope.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm sure it's a fun thing to drive around. I'm gonna make as many truck jokes as I can.
Please.
For probably the rest of your life.
Yeah, that's fine.
Until
Until you buy one.
I buy one.